Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. If you have a business Instagram account, make sure to switch it to a personal one. 1. Tap your profile icon in the lower right corner, then tap the menu icon, which is the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Tap Settings at the bottom of the menu, then scroll down and tap Accounts Center. Tap Accounts to see your linked accounts. Then choose the Facebook account you want to remove. Then tap Remove. When prompted, tap Continue. If both accounts use the same login password, you may need to change one of the passwords to complete the process. To do it through the Instagram website interface, just tap Profile, Settings, Account Center, then Accounts. Find your Facebook account, then select it to remove. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.